I think that, from all the titles that I have ever acquired through my life, either academically or socially or financially success that I may have had, I think that being a father has been the most, by far, the most important title that I have ever gotten. To being a father means to me raising three beautiful children into adulthood, seeing them to leave my house and to be a prosper and decent human beings working. That's something that I will share in my heart with all happiness. It's the most important thing to me in my life. To be a father is the highest level of success that I ever had. Probably, I will say to myself, if I could, say, don't be so overprotective of your children, which I was. I was very careful with them, every single step that they gave, and that I was overprotective. And in some instances, they said it to myself. They say, hey, stop that, stop being so overprotective. Let us explore in a safe way, of course, the environment around us. And probably I will say that to myself, Mario, don't be so overprotective. Let your children go and explore. They're going to be safe and they're going to be okay.